Hey David, thank you for requesting this video. Today I want to talk about sunrise restoration, but before we get into that, I do want to shed some light on the three different ways on how you can be found on Google and also on how to optimize your online presence. So with that, let's get to it. So first I want to start with, let's just say for instance, we type in water damage restoration San Antonio. Now you'll get this top sponsors up here. Of course, with Google Ads, you can land up here for this service area, if you so choose. For the second way to be found is the map pack area, these three top positions here. So 30% of your business will be acquired through here, as well as optimizing your photos, optimizing your Google Business Profile, as well with citations. And you've got to make sure you have the organic citations that you're hand placing in there, not um, the ones that you don't need. So with that, let's go to the next one. So uh, United Water Restoration is at the top of what we call the organic section, which is these three top positions here. Keep in mind 70% of your business gets acquired through these three positions. So take note that with proper SEO backlinking and also proper keyword usage and with content data, you'll be able to outrank these guys easily. So that in a nutshell, that's pretty much how you can be found on Google and how to optimize. So let's just dig a little deeper. So let's talk about your website, Sunrise Restoration. I really like on how you get the logo up here in the top left. You have your phone number up here. And you also have these clickable for your socials. So let's take a quick scroll down. Now always remember that content is king to getting your website to be on the front up there. So it kind of ends there. So it looks like you have maybe 30 words of content. Now keep in mind Google really looks for 1,500 to 2,000 words of content for them to be happy. So you need to make sure that you optimize that with at least one keyword for every 250 words of that content, just in the home page alone. So just with that big change right there, content is king. Remember those things and you'll get up there. So let's take a quick look at your competitor. Now, these guys are ranked number one in that area. United Water Restoration. They got some drop downs here. As you can tell, they do have a lot of content. And just by me scrolling down, they got maybe about 1,000 words of content at best. So they do need to optimize a little bit more. I do not see any keywords embedded inside their content. So they definitely can up their game. So all we got to do is what they're doing and then some, and we'll beat them in the content area. So with that being said, that kind of wraps it up for the content portion of this video. Just take a quick look at the overview of your backlink profile. So your Sunrise Restorations, you have your power and your trust here, and you have only about a 47 traffic with 48 keywords going to it. So this is your investment, and I mean, I like to think of my website as a money-making ATM, so to speak, a digital one. So, excuse me. So let's take a quick look at your keywords, and keep in mind we do have access to all this through this tool called Ahrefs. Now we are utilizing 48 keywords inside your website here. This shows the volume. It's an estimation of the number of searches for a keyword. So this is all from Google. This is and I paid for this tool. I mean, you can buy this tool if you like, but it'll show you everything that it's showing me here. All you got to do is just type in a URL. So let's take a quick look. Now that you know kind of how that works, let's take a quick look at an overview of United Water Restoration. Now these are your competitors for that service area. They are bringing in a whopping 13.5k traffic, which, as you've seen earlier in the content, they can do better. So if we did better, Google will definitely see that and match these numbers up to have a better uh, backlink profile from the go. So With that being said, not all backlinks are created equal, and you want to make sure that you do with proper SEO backlinking, you could definitely dominate the space. So let's do a quick recap again on how to be found. Let's just say you want to rank here and locate here, water damage restoration, San Antonio. You could run Google Ads, you'll end up here. Or if you want to optimize your Google Business Profile, which is here, we just got to do what San Antonio water damage is doing, because it's just, keep in mind, it's just these three. This is a sponsored right here because these guys are national. So, but a lot of people like to search for local. So you want to come down. Remember, this is 70% of your business can be acquired here. United Water Restoration, as we previously discussed, has the upper hand here. So just keep in mind that if you're not in any of these 6 positions, you're definitely leaving money on the table, and you don't want to do that for yourself or your business or your investment. So with that, I hope this information was helpful to you. I tried to cram as much as I could of it in 6 minutes, so there's a lot more, but don't have enough time. So with that, David, I hope this information was useful to you. If you happen to need a guide to help you through your endeavors, please feel free to contact me. My name is Joshua. I'm with Peterson, SEO. You can contact me at 505-331-7995, or you can reach me at joshua@petersonseoconsulting.com. Thank you so much again, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.